everyone. Welcome to our third remote learning assembly. I hope you've had a good week and that you are doing your very best. I know your teachers have told me how creative you're being, the responsibility that you are showing, and the independence that you're showing with your work. Please continue to do so. Make sure that you are posting on Seesaw and letting your teachers know if there's anything that you need help. In addition to the birthdays and the learner profile recognition, we have some presentations from different classes showing some of the work that students have been doing. I hope you enjoy.
This is $100, real $100. So I could buy the hand sanitizer for $100, or the juice for $100, for $50, or this toy right here for $40, or the bowl for $20, or the car for the same price, or the pencil for $5, or this toy thing for $4. So, I would buy this toy first, and then I have $60 left, and then I would buy this bowl, and then I would have $40 left, and then I will buy this car for $20, and then I only have $20 left. So I would buy these two things, and then I have $20, and then I have $11 left.
Primary School, Miss Avril here. I'm here to tell you the nominations for Learner Profile this week. I'll be reading out the nomination and the name, and your teacher will upload your Learner Profile certificate to Seesaw so you can see what you've been nominated for. Our nominations begin with the Principal Award. Mr. Nandre would like to nominate in EY3 Cole, Amelie, Glorious, Neve, Hayley. Miss Kay would like to nominate in Grade 5 Ben. Miss Debbie would like to nominate in Grade 1 Tia and Kate Lowe.
Hello, Mela. I would like to buy cake. How much is one slice of cake?
50
How much?
cents.
50 cents. So, Mela, I want to buy 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of cake, please. How much is that?
So that's, let me work it out first. Okay, so this is $1.
So 50 cents plus 50 cents is?
So this is my sum. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So you have to pay me $2, please.
How much must I pay you?
$2.
$2. I will take all of it. There you go. Thank you, Mela. Thank you for my cake. Nom, nom, nom.
Our Risk Taker Award. Mr. Nandre would like to nominate David in EY3. Miss Kay would like to nominate Neil in Grade 5. And Mr. Robin would like to nominate Chloe in Grade 2. Our Balanced Award. Miss Debbie would like to nominate Chian in Grade 2D. Miss Michelle would like to nominate Ina and Ian in Grade 1.
Bonjour, Madame Laetitia. So I broke the code of the writing. Number 1 was vert, that means worm in English. Hérisson is hedgehog in English. Papillon is butterfly in English, and escargot is snail in English. And then I draw and colored in the animals so it can be a little more presentful. Now I'm just going to say them in French. So number 1, vert. 2, hérisson. 3, papillon. 4, escargot. Au revoir.
Our Communicator Award. Miss Sanandre would like to nominate Suli in EY3. Miss Kay would like to nominate Sky in Grade 5. Miss Deirdre would like to nominate Philip in EY3. Miss Debbie would like to nominate Zara in Grade 2. Our Caring Award. Miss Vina would like to nominate Polana in Grade 4V.
Oh, it's cold outside. Oh, it's warm here. What's up?
Good evening. Welcome to the Trend Supermarket.
Oh, thank you. Are these from Italia?
Yes, they are. They were delivered right now.
Oh, they look fresh. Is this from Italy?
No, it's from Kenya.
Oh, I'll take them. Is this, do these samosas have chili inside?
No. No chili. Sorry.
So I can eat them with my friends.
Yeah.
I'll take the spaghetti, and I'll take also baked beans, and I'll also take the samosas.
Your bill is $15, please. Thank you. Your change is $5.
Thank you. Delicious.
Have a good day, sir.
You too, my receipt.
Oh, it's all right. Have a good day.
You too. God bless you.
God bless you too. Thank you.
Our Reflective Award. Miss Lindsay would like to nominate Afonso in Grade 3L. Miss Shanae is nominating Jean in Grade 3G. Knowledgeable Award. Miss Sanandre would like to nominate Ada in EY3. Miss Anna would like to nominate Giselle in Grade 4A. Miss Deirdre would like to nominate Louisa in EY3. Our Thinker Award. Miss Sanandre would like to nominate Jaden in EY3. Our Open-Minded Award. Miss Shanae would like to nominate Tato in Grade 3G. And finally, our Inquirer Award. Miss Beata would like to nominate Amaro in Grade 2B. Congratulations to everybody. Let's give them a great big whoosh. 1, 2, 3, whoosh. Until next time, primary school, take care of yourselves, look after yourselves. Bye-bye.